What's up, lovely people? This is gonna be a very early morning drive through the heart of Riyadh. Although King Fahd Road is the heart of Riyadh, but anyways, maybe I should, I think I will go from there because there's some roadworks on the Takhassusi street. I just saw from the corner of my eye while taking a turn. So we'll go from the King Fahd Road, and it's a Saturday, so there's gonna be very less traffic. It's 6 a.m. right now. Bismillah. Oh my goodness. No, there's the roadworks are on the different side. So we will go from Takhassusi Street because Takhassusi Street is more suited to me. Thankfully, it's not closed. Look at the scenes, by the way. In front of us we have the Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Hospital. However, this scene looks quite majestic, right? So it's early morning and a lot of people are going to their work. Construction workers mostly. And what am I? Also a construction worker. Yeah, I'm saying it as in like I work in construction sector, so that's what I'm referring to. Here we go. Time for us to move. Here, once we go near the mosque, it's gonna be kind of interesting because on one side you are able to see the Kingdom Tower, then you have the mosque here, and well, maybe you definitely aren't able to see that Fasliya Tower over there in the distance. And I must tell you that this road is full of cameras. The cameras that record speed, the cameras that check for any seat belt or any mobile use violations, the cameras for Riyadh, this parking. But I love this street. There are some bikers doing their early morning ride, but I can see them from the rear mirror. They are like afar. Ramadan rides. One of the best things that could happen to anyone on this road is getting all the traffic lights open, getting all the traffic lights green on this road. But right now you see it just turned green. But the person in front of us is rather slow. So we'll have to wait on the red. Ain't much traffic at this time. How could someone take a U-turn with that camera still over there? How is that possible? A lot of people enjoying their sports rides. Well, it's slight bit cold outside. I turned on the heater, so hence it's quite cozy inside the car. Watching this video for the first time, watching this channel for the first time, huh? Or have you been watching the videos before? Today we are not lucky enough to find all green signals. Well, if you have to, it pretty much comes down to the timing of it. Like at a certain point, it will have green at one place and all the subsequent ones will be green as well. But you have to maintain a certain pace. I think that is around 70 kilometers per hour, and well, today we weren't able to time that, but I'm not sure how long I'm able to record, but I think the camera is going to stop anyways. Let's go, guys. Let's go, or let me go.